them are writing stuff about me. Most of them I know, just only one destroy me. Oh, them not get another story. On top my pen, they want to claim, say them holy, see I fear them. These girls are very deadly, but before I say so, I check them, nobody rape me. I love them, plus my bikini steady. They are my little sensi, and I respect them. All them will been advise me, we talk to me truthfully. See, I don't have no time for no hypocrisy. Have no time for the people that treat them eyes in my matter. I know some people will say some things that will cut like a knife. They make me the one, so they my right. Making me feel like I'm on the road. Just like raindrops falling from my eyes. Just like teardrops falling from the sky. It is like a blessing in disguise that we fail to realize. Now I have to pay the price. Pay the price. See, young man, be careful and think it twice before you choose to use. Before you choose to use your device. So you don't have raindrops falling from your eyes. When you see a blessing in disguise. Oh, what a sacrifice, a sacrifice. I see it. See, what is it you want from me? What is your expectation? What is it you feel? What is it you think about me? What is your imagination? How do you see me? Yes, I am God's creation, but I am not the only one. I say we plenty, and there is no more equal one. We're heading to the same destination. So just be living your life, yeah. Living your life, yeah. Doing your thing, doing your thing. Make some people breathe, Live and let live and let live. And as we go, I count my blessing, make you count yours. I hope because of this you will not start to close your doors. And as we go, just take some time to check your flaws. Try not to use and not be bold. Just like raindrops falling from my eyes. Just like teardrops falling from the sky. It is like a blessing in disguise that we fail to realize. Now I have to pay the price.